Looking like it's wanting to stick around. Alright, welcome back you guys here on another exclusive property tour. I'm excited to present you this one here today. I've had this property on my radar for quite a while. This has been on the market for 4 months. I couldn't find the reason as to why, but that is why I am here to do some due diligence and check out for myself firsthand and present it right to you guys. First of all, this Green Valley Country Club Estates is a very nice, it's a very established neighborhood here. Very quiet, beautiful curb appeal all throughout. I mean, I'm definitely loving the natural grass. We got the side gate over here, another side gate over there. Plenty of mature landscaping, okay? And you're not gonna wanna miss the remodeled interior. That is my first clue I have here as to why this has been on the market for 4 months, but it is listed at $850,000. Looks like it was purchased in October of last year, so for about $200,000 less than what it's currently at. So probably a fix and flip project, and I would say I do like the remodel here. So first of all, we have a high ceiling, welcoming entryway. I know this foyer, I would say it could be slightly better or upscaled in design. This carpet is kind of cheap, if you want to get my opinion on that. But let's go ahead and check out some of the positives here. So we do have the 3-car garage that you saw on the curb, and it is epoxy flooring. You see that automatic light over there. So cool thing about it is, for this 3rd car side, we do have a doorway to the backyard, which we'll get to eventually. We even have a little guest there. This cat definitely has noticed this property being vacant for some time and taking full advantage of it. Let's go ahead and leave him or her alone. Okay, so that's one door, and then this door on the 2-car side leads you through the living room. So we have a linen closet here, double linen closet, and a laundry chute here. So that just drops down. I believe, I'll have to double check, but I believe that does go up there. So stay to the end of the video to make sure that laundry chute dumps it off right here for some convenience. We do have a wood burning fireplace. They decided to keep the original masonry. Didn't want to paint over that, which paint could always be added fairly easily. And let's go ahead and check out. We have the sunroom here. This door will lead you to the cat right there in the backyard. Good sized pool, and I almost don't want to bother that cat, but let's go ahead and check it out. Actually, you know what? We'll end at the pool outside. At least we got a quick preview. So our kitchen, we do have quart countertops, nice peninsula here with the vanes and new shaker cabinets, overlaying upper and lower cabinets. Got a nice pendant light here. Breakfast bar area here with our recessed lights. Stainless steel appliances. Just missing the refrigerator. We have additional space here and a pantry which goes all the way underneath. We have this this is a full bathroom downstairs. Nice framed mirror, quart countertops undermounted, and a full walk-in shower. Cool. And then a coat closet. Okay, before we go upstairs, check out the bedrooms. Quick glance over here to your formal dining room. So that is still an option for you traditional folks. Again, this is one of my drawbacks is this carpet definitely looks very cheap, probably the cheapest style of carpet here. Yeah, here is no, that's not the laundry chute. That's, I believe, some built-in linen, built-ins. Also, you guys, as we go through these other rooms here, the reason why this is on the market for 4 months, the first thing that I saw was when they initially put it on the market 4 months ago, or even before that, it's actually been longer than that. They put it on the market for just under $1 million. And what they did was they made some price decreases. So they overpriced it, and now they are essentially nice flooring here. They overpriced it, and now they're essentially like chasing the market because they keep lowering it and realizing that, okay, people are wondering why it is been on the market for so long, even though it's a remodeled property. Something's got to be wrong. So that's just a hint for you sellers and for you investors, that you definitely want to have a congruent, or at least a genuine, honest, fair market value done from a professional, just so you're not in this situation. But who knows, we'll see what the final sale price will be on this. Okay, we're in the primary suite. This is our walk-in shower or walk-in closet. We got some views to the backyard. So some nice trim. And again, I'd probably throw in a transition and watch out for the dead roach. But check out this flooring in the primary, along with the countertops here. And then we have our walk-in shower with the overhead light. And then we have some more built-in storage. Okay, and then our toilet. And then we have a full-on timer here for the steam, the shower steamer. And I would say at my size, at 6'3", this is kind of a smaller tub, but you know, you could get in portions. And check it out. So I would say it's a pretty nice color scheme going on in here. Usually you see a lot of the matte black in the remodels like this, but we kept it light. They kept it light and bright. So let's go ahead and jet back to outside. Definitely probably didn't have much options for this loft area too. It's just kind of wasted space. So as we go outside to the pool, we still got our kitty friend. It's looking like it's wanting to stick around. Definitely want to close this so the cat doesn't go inside. Okay, great size pool for entertaining here. And we have a nice walkway here on that side. And we have our gazebo here with the diving board. All right, you guys, I'm clearly keeping quiet here for this kitty. I don't want to scare the kitty away, but love to hear what you guys think about this property. So yeah, if you've watched this video for this long, I definitely appreciate it. Go ahead and smash that like button. And yeah, we got another visitor here. So anyway, go ahead and leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you later.